I don't get it. Why has everybody been calling me Roxas?
Because, Sora. Roxas is your nobody.
My... nobody? Roxas.
That is right, the new you.
But that's crazy! I never turned into a heart... Oh. Right.
It was when you came to rescue me. Remember? Sora!